Hey everyone! Ever feel stressed or low on energy? What if I told you there's a delicious way to fix that? Today we're making ashwagandha smoothies that can help relieve stress and boost your energy. Let's get started. First, let's talk about ashwagandha. This powerful herb, often called the king of Ayurvedic herbs, is known for its stress-relieving and energy-boosting properties. It helps reduce cortisol levels, which is our body's main stress hormone, and supports overall well-being. Now let's see how we can incorporate this superfood into some amazing smoothies. Our first recipe is the mango ashwagandha smoothie, perfect for a refreshing start to your day. Here's what you'll need: 1 ripe mango, peeled and chopped, 1 banana, 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha powder, and a handful of ice cubes. Mangoes are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants which help boost your immune system. Combine that with the energy-boosting properties of bananas and the hydrating benefits of coconut water, and you have a smoothie that not only tastes great but also sets you up for a stress-free day. Just blend all the ingredients until smooth and enjoy. Next up, we have the green ashwagandha smoothie, ideal for a post-workout recovery. You'll need 1 cup of spinach, 1 green apple, chopped, 1 cucumber, sliced, 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha powder, 1 cup of almond milk, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Spinach is rich in iron, which helps transport oxygen to your muscles, aiding in recovery. Green apples and cucumbers are hydrating and provide essential vitamins, while almond milk adds a creamy texture and a dose of protein. Blend everything together for a refreshing and revitalizing smoothie. Lastly, let's make the berry ashwagandha smoothie, a perfect energy-boosting snack. You'll need 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha powder, and a splash of orange juice. Berries are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and boost your immune system. Greek yogurt provides protein and probiotics, which are great for gut health. Add ashwagandha to the mix, and you have a smoothie that's both delicious and incredibly nourishing. Just blend all the ingredients until smooth, and enjoy this vibrant treat. So why add ashwagandha to your smoothies? It's a natural adaptogen that helps your body manage stress, boosts energy levels, and supports overall wellness. Plus, it blends seamlessly into any smoothie, adding a mild, earthy flavor. There you have it, 3 delicious ashwagandha smoothies to help you relieve stress and boost your energy. Give these recipes a try and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Cheers to a healthier you.